Thank you Tanzanian customer for ordering EA960R4 commercial LED display billboard. EA960R4 LED billboard features a 960mm x 960mm magnesium alloy enclosure, making it durable and maintainable. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor fixed installations and rental applications, for quick-release latches facilitate connection. EA960R4 LED billboard boasts a compact design and a quick and easy rear cover for easy maintenance. The rear cover of the EA960R4 LED cabinet is equipped with two wing-shaped fans for rapid heat dissipation. The enclosure boasts an IP65 rating and is fully sealed to protect against wind, dust, and moisture, significantly enhancing the LED billboard's protection. In commercial display applications, the EA960R4 LED billboard, with its high brightness and fast refresh rate, delivers more realistic and vivid visuals. It is widely used in a variety of scenarios, including commercial plazas, event venues, stage performances, and shopping streets.